This is the 1 million formula. I'm Sachthemotive, let me motivate you. How to make your first billion. How to get rich. Guys, this is how you do it. So this is a formula. Whether you're selling memberships or whether you're selling products or doing work for people, services, product, whatever you're doing, this is how much profit you need to make per person to get your million. And then you're a millionaire. So let's get into this. On the left over here, with the cursor, it's money. Over here, it's people. You need £100,000 or whatever currency you want, dollars, whatever. 100,000 for 10 people. So 10 people need to give you 100,000 in order to make your first million. And if you can't do that, because it's quite a lot, £10,000 and 100 people need to give you that. So whether you're selling online or you're just looking at your profit from selling clothes or whatever, anything, 100 people need to give you 10 grand to make your million. And if you can't do that, you go down one again, £1,000. So whether you're a builder or whatever you are, let's say you got jobs to do, you need 1,000 jobs, 1,000 people's houses or whatever to make your £1 million. So you need 1,000 people to give you £1,000 to make your million. If you can't do that, you go down again, £100 from 10,000 different people. So let's say you set up a membership site online. I don't know, you're doing memberships or whatever. You need 10,000 people signed up giving you £100 to get your million. Then we go down again if you can't do that. You need £10. £10. Let's say you sign someone up for, I don't know, £10 a month or even £10 a year. You need 100,000 signs for £10 profit from 100,000 people to get your first million. So that is the 1 million rule to get your first million. I hope that helps you. I'm Sachthemotive, let me motivate you. When you make your million, therefore comment below and share your journey with me. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.